I think it's important to note, and I would imagine most of your viewers agree, that trade is really important for our American economy. But Mr. Trump said, listen, I think TPP was a bad deal for the American worker and the American economy. My hope is that he now gets very quickly to the business of negotiating individual deals, at least with our Asian trade partners that were going to be part of TPP, because trade is important to growth and jobs.
Yeah, I think that's one of the questions that's risen up is if we're not there, if we're not partnering with Asian nations, that China is going to step into that void and already is trying to do that. How quickly can we expect individual trade deals with some of these nations?
Well, I mean, obviously a trade deal will take some time, but you see that Mr. Trump moves at lightning speed. I think what's really important, though, after yesterday taking us out of TPP, is that he very quickly start to signal to these Asian countries, Japan specifically, that we want to sit down and very quickly come up with deals that work for both of our countries. I think the signaling is incredibly important here.
It makes sense from our perspective to want to restructure some of these deals. I guess I wonder how quickly some of the partners on the other side might be to agree to some of those issues. Are we just looking at some pretty tough talk out of the beginning as a negotiating point to start from?
Well, I think tough talk is important from a negotiating standpoint, but listen, we're the biggest market in the world. All these countries want access to the American marketplace.
By dollars, but not by people.
It'll behoove them to actually sit down and negotiate with us, and frankly, I think that leads us to a position of strength in these negotiations. So I think that's what Mr. Trump sees here. Yeah. And again, when you have all these countries and different issues at play, it's really tough to get a good deal for the whole economy. You have some winners in these trade deals and some losers in these trade deals because they're so complex. You can really hone the issues down when you go one-on-one.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.